Copywriting for your website is more than just putting together a few phrases and explain what your company does. The core principle of your company should be reflected in your copywriting, which should also leave a lasting impression on readers and finally inspire them to take a desired action. If you're looking for a tool to support your content creation, you're all at the right place. Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and today I'm going to tell you about the top 5 copywriting tools that you will love. First, ShareThrough Headline Analyzer. Regardless of the use case, ShareThrough offers the free services that analyze the strength of your headline and offer tips and advice for making improvements. It provides simple instruction for improvement and it's quick and simple to utilize. A headline quality score will also be given to you based on the algorithm that takes into consideration over 300 different factors to assess how well your title engages readers. Second, Grammarly. Grammarly Premium is one of the best copywriting tools for digital marketers creating copy for advertising or blog post. Grammarly Premium evaluates your content automatically for spelling, grammar, readability, consciousness, vocabulary, even check for plagiarism to avoid duplicate content issues. If you do your copywriting in the app itself, you can improve your writing skill as you receive real-time feedback on the quality of your work. Third, Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a web-based research tool that helps marketers discover the most frequently asked questions surrounding a specific keyword, product or services. Simple, enter a keyword of your choice into the search box and you will be treated to write rich visual presentation of the question that searchers are typing in Google without your keyword. This makes it easy to design blog posts that address your customers' real question or create ad copy that addresses known pain points among your prospective customers. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI-based copywriting tool on the list built with GPT-3 technology. You get access to plenty of copywriting tools including templates, which entails the type of content Copy.ai generates. It lets you create product description, social ads, website copy, blog intro, blog outline, email copy, social media taglines, subject lines, etc. Fifth, Wynter. Wynter is a message testing tool that helps you identify how well your content resonates with your prospects. It lets you analyze your ad, email, and even website copy. You'll be also able to identify where you missed the mark and discover the blind spots in your copy, so you can fix them and get better results. These tools will help you create content for your business. If you wish to know more about improving your online content presence, click on the link in the description box. And for more informative engaging videos around digital marketing, do subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.